What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be preventing another yard from flooding out by running out their downspout right here. So let's get started. All right, today we're going to be running out this front left downspout. He's going to be extending his pavers along. He's getting irrigation in, so he wants to have this in beforehand so that way the water doesn't stay trapped next to his house. So I'm going to run this all the way out, 90 over, and then 90 all the way out here to the street with the pop-up emitter. I have to 90 around because they had some old stump here or whatever, so I know there's going to be a bunch of roots. So let's get into it. All right, now I have it all dug out. We're going to be ending right above the gas line. As you can see, that's what the caution tape is there. That means the gas line is within 2 inches underneath it. We have everything dug out now, all over to the house. Like I said before, the downspout's going to run out, come down 90 over, and come all the way down. I would have preferred to just go straight with it, but they have this whole stump area here that's going to be getting grounded and everything, so I'll make sure they didn't break it. So now time to pipe, show you what it looks like. All right, and now we have it all dug out completely. As you can see at the end, we have it where it's a mini dry well. We got the burrito wrap. We replaced his sewer clean out because someone had broke it previously, and I refused to let it stay that way. Here's the downspout. As you can see, we are downhill to level coming straight off. We come to the other side. We are completely downhill to level. And then when we get to the corner, for it to actually start taking off towards the street, we are nicely downhill to level. And as you can see, as we go down, we are even more downhill to level, but now at the end, we are completely downhill. Can no longer go anymore. So as soon as water comes out, hits that corner, so go to the next one, it's all gonna flush all the way out down here at the end of the pop-up. Now it's time to backfill and show you how it works. And here we go, the finished product. Got the homeowner over there throwing the water inside the clean out. As you can see, it's nice and simple. And if you ever think they're clogged, that's exactly what you do, is you throw the hose right in the clean out. Come down here all the way at the end. Water's gonna go down the pipe, come all the way down here at the end. It's gonna try to drain into the ground until it can't build up anymore. When it can no longer build up, and then it'll be able to drain into the ground. But right now, as soon as it can't drain in the ground anymore, it'll build up, overflow to the top, come out, and then flow all the way down to the nearest storm drain down the street. So this is exactly how it is, and now we just need for it to pop up and overflow. And here we go, it's exactly how it works. Water's gonna pop up. Obviously, when it's raining, they're gonna have more head pressure and everything instead of just a hose, so it'll be like this, shooting out water like crazy. But with the hose, doesn't work bad at all. Comes out, goes all the way down, and right here you see the water coming out behind it because it's all sand. So I try to compact it, but the water's seeping through backwards to try to find the path of least resistance. But I had to leave it open right now for the guys to do the sprinklers, that way they don't hit my pipe. But when it's all backfilled, everything will work beautifully. But that is exactly how you prevent your yard from flooding by running out your downspout. As always, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and until the next one.